Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to uninstall application on your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way to uninstall the application, you just need to make sure that you are stay in a home screen, and after that you just need to find which application that you want to uninstall. For me, example here, I would like to uninstall the VSCO application. So the thing that you need to do is just go click and hold the application until it's pop up the options over this application, and after that you just need to go click this remove app. To uninstall, make sure that you delete the app, or the first options pop up here, and then just click it. And now you need to confirm that you want to delete the application, and after that this application will be uninstalled and removed from your iPhone. So let's do another things. Just still the same. First thing they have to do is just go click and hold the application until the application showing the options. Oh, my bad. Click and hold the application, and after that, whenever the option is pop up, go click remove and delete, then confirm it, so that this application will be uninstalled from your phone. So that's the way how to uninstall application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.